Kesukaan jalan kelarai dan pelaj cispa kabar turut tingkar kebalong tulop ke bahasa jeng Nonghikai SSA di kelarai ke jalan peleng jong pemerintah yang bak sambut bak berstut song lengkap bagi nikmat jeng Nonghikai SSA kebalong kepok sekretariat antara kasih kepuasan sistem bat nagaliang Nonghikai SSA kelong bagian salik kenduk sebagai Nonghikai kini pemuluhan negara jong Sorkar tang bawa harus tutur lembai presiden Nonghikai SSA lomba tanpa penyusupman bak Sorkar lasim dia ke negara.
Kajingi kendo jongi badi Deputy Chief Minister isa Preston Song kajingi don kadlang i Additional Chief Secretary isa DP Malang si Secretary Education isa Kampus Marat badi Deputy State Project Director isa Andre Warji te kajingi kendo ngila banong bakalong fruitful kalong positif number one, hakbay day bat ka demands ka banong kong jungi kata kalong ban release all of 5 months pending salaries. So today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Song informed us that the state government have released the balance amount amounting rupees 44 crores today itself for releasing the salary for the months of February and March. Added to that, the government have taken a decision to use from the corpus fund an amount of rupees 78 crores, which will be refunded back when the state government receive the first installment from the government of India. Added to that, a decision has also been taken that both this amount, that is the 44 crores and the 78 crores, should be transferred or credit to the single nodal agency not later than the 21st July 2022. And regarding the 1 month, because our salary is pending for 5 months, so the government will release 4 months, that is by next week, and for the remaining 1 month, the government will release it once they receive the ad hoc and the first installment from the government of India. Added to this, furthermore, the Deputy Chief Minister informed us that today he'll be going to New Delhi along with the Chief Minister to meet the Union Minister and also the official of the Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Education in order to expedite the release of the ad hoc and first installment by the Government of India for this current financial year 2022-23. As far as our second demand is concerned, that is enhancements of salary, we have discussed in length. So after detailed discussion, we have taken a decision that as far as enhancements of SSA teachers' salary is concerned, we have taken a decision that this agenda will be one of the agenda that will be addressed by the Education Commission when it is constituted. Added to this, we have also discussed regarding the delay of salary. It means irregular payment of salary, because now and then we have to come out to states after 4 to 5 months. So today we have taken a decision that at least from now onwards, our salary should be released quarterly. Means if it is pending also, it should not be more than a quarter. So the government have agreed with our suggestion. Yeah, that is the outcome of the meeting. So